Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel device to OPPO A5X. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Now tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, allow in first pop-up and allow all in a second one. Then tap on whatever you want to in all those other ones. When you're ready, hit Send at the bottom left corner of Google Pixel and receive right next to Send at the bottom of OPPO. Also on Google Pixel, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a couple just for example. In the last two categories, which are contacts and files, you need to choose Allow a few more times to access them. When you're ready, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. If you decided to transfer any apps, hit OK in white pop-up. And then to continue, choose Got It in Here's Some Tip 1. Now it's time to decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section below, enter the key. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire. And hit Receive button. To scan the QR code, use scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your OPPO's camera at the code. Wherever you decided, just wait. Close our ads, and as you can see, after that my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!